We'll guide you through how to make dotted line in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Alight Motion application on your device. Once the home screen appears, tap the Create New Project button located at the top of the screen. A project settings window will open, allowing you to customize the project. Adjust the settings according to your preferences, then press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside your new project, tap the plus button located near the bottom of the screen. A menu containing different layer options will appear. From this menu, select Vector Drawing. Begin creating your line by tapping on the canvas to place points. Continue adding and adjusting points until the line matches the shape you need. Once the line has been created, select the vector layer and open the color and fill settings. Turn off the fill option. Next, open the border and shadow section. Turn on the stroke option to make the line visible. You can choose any stroke color you like. After preparing the line, tap the plus button again to add another layer. This time, select the circle shape option. Adjust the scale of the circle until it reaches the size you want for each dot in the dotted line. With the circle selected, open the Effects section and tap Add Effect to access the effect browser. Search for the Repeat Along Path effect and apply it to the circle layer. Once the effect has been added, open its settings and begin adjusting the available controls. Modify values until the circles are distributed evenly along the line. You can also adjust the spacing by playing with the count value. Continue refining the settings until the dotted line looks exactly the way you want. Preview your project to check the result and make any final adjustments if needed. You have now successfully created a dotted line in Alight Motion using a vector path and the Repeat Along Path effect.